On the morning of June 25th, we flew from Atlanta on a Southwest Airlines flight and arrived at Orlando International Airport. After collecting our luggage, we stepped outside, got into a cab, and headed straight for Walt Disney World. Located across the Lake Buena Vista and Bay Lake areas of Florida, Walt Disney World is one of the largest and most popular entertainment destinations in the world. Spread across nearly 25,000 acres, this massive resort complex is home to 4 world-famous theme parks: Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Disney's Hollywood Studios, and Disney's Animal Kingdom. It also features 2 water parks, more than 25 Disney resort hotels, countless restaurants, shopping areas, and a wide variety of the entertainment experiences. Every year, millions of visitors from around the world come here to experience Disney's magical world. Within Walt Disney World, you will find Disney resorts designed for different budgets and themes. We stayed at Disney's All-Star Music Resort, one of Disney's popular value resorts. As soon as we entered the reception, 2 friendly Disney cast members warmly welcomed us and helped us complete the entire check-in process. Within just a few minutes, all the formalities were done and we received our room key card. We began walking towards our room. The resort is so large that it took us more than 5 minutes to reach it. Our room was located in one of the buildings at the far end of the resort. Along the way, we admired the giant music-themed decorations, colorful buildings, beautifully landscaped gardens. Right from the first glance, it was clear how much attention Disney pays to even the smallest details. We only had 2 days here, today and tomorrow. The truth is, with so many attractions, rides, shows, and entertainment across all 4 Walt Disney World theme parks, you could easily spend a week or even longer exploring everything properly, but we had only 2 days. One of the biggest advantages of staying at Disney's All-Star Music Resort is the complimentary Disney bus service. Right outside the resort, buses take guests directly to Disney destinations, including Animal Kingdom, Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and Hollywood Studios. After a short rest, we headed out for our very first theme park. We boarded our Disney bus and made our way to Disney's Animal Kingdom. Since theme park admission was already included in our Walt Disney World vacation package, we didn't need to purchase separate park tickets. As we entered Animal Kingdom, we arrived at Discovery Island, where the atmosphere immediately felt like a celebration. Disney characters were greeting guests everywhere, waving, posing for photos, and creating unforgettable moments for visitors of all ages. Smiles, laughter, and excitement filled the entire area. This was truly the beginning of our Disney World adventure. And look over there, Donald Duck is busy posing for photos with guests. Disney's Animal Kingdom covers nearly 580 acres and offers an incredible mix of nature, wildlife, and adventure. Here you can experience Kilimanjaro safaris, where African wildlife roams in open habitats, enjoy thrilling rides like Expedition Everest, explore Pandora, the world of Avatar, and discover many more exciting attractions and unforgettable experiences. And at the very heart of the park stands its most iconic symbol, the Tree of Life. From a distance, it looks like a gigantic ancient tree, but it's actually a remarkable man-made masterpiece inspired by African baobab tree. Even more fascinating, the trunk features 337 intricately carved animal sculptures presenting both living and extinct species. The closer you look, the more hidden animals you will discover. Inside the Tree of Life is a 4D theatre, currently home to Zootopia Better Together show. Unfortunately, due to our limited time, we couldn't watch the show. However, we did walk through the winding pathways beneath the tree all the way to the theatre entrance. It truly felt like walking through the roots of a living tree. The lighting, detailed carving, and immersive design created a magical atmosphere that was an experience in itself. The show features Judy Hopps, Nick Wilde, and other beloved Zootopia characters as they invite guests to celebrate Together Day. Through music, dancing, and impressive 3D and 4D special effects, the show delivers a heartwarming message about friendship, unity, and living in harmony with nature. Standing about 145 feet tall, the Tree of Life has been the symbol of Disney's Animal Kingdom since the park opened in 1998. Although we didn't have the chance to watch the show, exploring the beautiful pathways beneath the tree was a memorable experience on its own. The Tree of Life is much more than just a landmark. It represents the interconnectedness of all living things, biodiversity, and Disney's commitment to celebrating and protecting nature. That's all for today's episode. Our journey through Disney's Animal Kingdom is far from over. There are still many amazing experiences waiting in the next episode. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay with us. See you in the next episode.